Was 2019 the year that you were going to launch your business or finally go really big with your existing business? Would you be interested in a deep dive training on how to use marketing funnels to do that? What if I told you that the training was done by none other than Russell Brunson himself, the guy who popularized the term funnels and grew his company to over $100 million in 3 years, the guy who sold hundreds of thousands of books regarding funnels, the guy who created funnels for guys like Tony Robbins and Marcus Lemonis from The Profit, helped tens of thousands of entrepreneurs grow their businesses, helped over 314 entrepreneurs reach 7 figures and 17 reach 8 figures so far. If you really want 2019 to be your year and you're willing to put in the work, there's a link somewhere on this page where you can get more information on the One Funnel Away Challenge starting January 14th, 2019. I'm Kevin Stryker, founder of TrueLift Digital Marketing, and I took this training the first time it was offered in October, and it was intense. In addition to Russell Brunson teaching you about funnels, you also get coaching from Julie Stoyan, who's built up her businesses to multiple 7 figures a year, and Stephen Larson, who is Russell's top funnel builder at ClickFunnels for years and created almost 500 funnels during his time there. I've paid $2,000 for marketing courses before, $1,000 many times, invested tens of thousands of dollars in my personal marketing education, and this is as good or better than anything I've paid $2,000 for. But you can get the full 30 days of funnel training for just $100. Heck, on the next page, I'll even show you a way that you can get it for free and even get paid to do the training. You'll get a combination of funnel training, and I'm not talking about fluffy training, but actual move your business forward in a major way training, plus support from the other community members taking the training with you, and accountability and motivation like you've never experienced, helping ensure your success, as well as some incredible bonuses. I know it sounds too good to be true, but over 7,200 entrepreneurs have already taken the training the last time it was offered, and I would suspect at the super low price that many times more than that will jump on this to take their business to a new level. How about you? Are you ready to make 2019 your year? Take advantage of this offer before they raise the price to what it's actually worth. For more information, click the link on your screen and get ready to be blown away.